Indulge in this exquisite recipe for a creamy triple chocolate cheesecake. Start by crushing chocolate cookies and mixing them with melted butter. Press this mixture into a greased springform pan and refrigerate. Next, blend cream cheese with sugar and cornstarch, and add eggs one by one. Stir in cold, heavy cream until smooth. Divide the mixture into 3 bowls, adding melted dark, milk, and white chocolate to each. Mix until uniform and transfer each to piping bags. Layer each chocolate mixture in the pan, starting with dark chocolate, followed by milk chocolate, and finally white chocolate. Smooth the layers and bake at 265-degree Celsius for 80-90 minutes. Cool completely, then chill for 7 to 8 hours. Optionally, top with caramel and peanuts. Check the description for full details.